Want new emotes in your inventory in PUBG Mobile but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to buy emote in PUBG Mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, go to the shop by tapping on the cart icon from the top right corner. Next, tap on the others option from the right side. Now click on the emote icon from the options. Here you have various options for emotes that you can buy. Select the one that you like and then tap on the 4000G button. If you are sure, again tap on it. And that's how you can buy emote in PUBG Mobile. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.